Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to fix Google Chrome tab list showing like this. As you see, when you go to your, for example, Google Chrome and you click on the tab list at the top right, you click on it like this. It shows the tabs like this, the search tabs, as you see here, what you search on Google Chrome showing like this. How to remove it and how to show it as grid again. So first thing you want to do to fix this problem, the first solution, I will show you three solutions in this video. First solution try is by going to your Google Chrome app, click on it, long click, then click on app info, or search for your Google Chrome app from your Android, from your app list at the settings of your phone. Then you go to the storage usage. Then here what you're going to do when you are on storage usage, go to clear your cache and clear your data if you want. Then go to your return again and go to click on force stop like this. Click on force stop. Then what you're going to do here, you go to your Google Chrome app, you open it again. When you open it, see if your problem is fixed or not. Try to see if your problem is fixed. Click on the tab list. The problem not fixed, but I use this trick and I fix my problem. Now, if the problem not fixed, go to the second solution. The second solution is by going to your Google Chrome, then click on new tab at the top left, then search for flags Chrome 2 point and write this flags. As you see here, you write this option, click on search. Now what you're going to do here, you search for flags. The first flags you search on, first thing you want to do or you want to search for is search for layout, like this, layout. Then what you're going to do here, you click on default. Now choose enabled, like this. Then what you're going to do, you go and search for tab. You search for tab group. What you're going to tap here, tap for tab group. Then what you're going to do, you go to the first option, default, check the enabled option, as you see here. Now what you're going to do, you go to the search bar again and search for MBI, as you see here. Then what you're going to do here on your MBI, click on the second option, default option, click on it, then click on enabled, like this. Now when you finish enable this option, click on relaunch down here, down right, like this. Then it will relaunch your Google Chrome app. Now what you're going to do next, you go to make it as default all these three options or this section, make it all default. Then what you're going to do, you click on relaunch again. Now as you see, when you go to the tab menu at the top right, you click on it. As you see now, the problem is fixed. Now your tab is returned to the grid option. So this is how to fix your tab problem on your Google Chrome app. I hope this problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next.